The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. You can remove the filter housing door by grabbing the looped part of the door and pulling outwards to release it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Removing the old filter and installing the new one may require pinching and twisting the filter. Install your new AQ1241 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Reinstall the filter housing door.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.